Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast.
Hi, friends. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, today we have a very fun and easy topic.
We will talk about your favorite place.
That's right. Your favorite place can be anything.
It can be your home, your school, a park, a city, or even a small cafe.
Before we start, don't forget to follow and subscribe.
Yes, and practice with us. Listen, speak, and repeat.
Okay, let's begin.
Part 1. What is your favorite place?
Stephanie, what is your favorite place?
My favorite place is my room.
Nice. Why do you like your room?
I like my room because it is quiet and comfortable.
Good answer. Friends, listen again.
My favorite place is my room. I like it because it is quiet and comfortable.
Now you try. Say, my favorite place is...
Good job. Say it again.
My favorite place is...
Part 2. Talking about reasons. Let's learn a useful sentence. I like it because.
Yes, this is very important.
Example, I like the park because it is fresh and green.
Another example, I like my home because it is safe.
Now listen and repeat. I like it because.
Again, I like it because.
Great, you're improving already. Part 3, talking about places.
Let's talk about different places.
Place number 1, park.
A park is a place with trees and grass.
Example, I go to the park in the morning.
Repeat, I go to the park.
Good. Place number 2, beach.
A beach has sand and water.
Example, I like the beach because I love the sea.
Repeat, I like the beach.
Place number 3, cafe.
A cafe is a place to drink coffee or tea.
Example, I go to a cafe with my friends.
Repeat, I go to a cafe.
Part 4, real life conversation.
Let's have a small conversation.
Okay.
What is your favorite place?
My favorite place is the park.
Why do you like it?
I like it because it is quiet and beautiful.
What do you do there?
I walk and listen to music.
Nice.
Now you listen again.
What is your favorite place?
My favorite place is the park.
Why do you like it?
I like it because it is quiet and beautiful.
Part 5, your turn. Now it's your turn.
Answer these questions.
What is your favorite place?
Why do you like it?
What do you do there?
Take your time, speak slowly.
It's okay if you make mistakes.
Yes, mistakes help you learn.
Try again. Say, my favorite place is...
Very good. Part 6, daily life examples.
Let's give some simple examples.
Example 1, my favorite place is my kitchen. I like it because I cook there.
Example 2, my favorite place is my bed. I like it because I can rest.
Example 3, my favorite place is my school. I like it because I learn new things.
Listen again and repeat each sentence.
Good job. Keep practicing. Part 7, adding feelings.
Now let's talk about feelings.
Use words like happy, calm, relaxed.
Example, I feel happy in my favorite place.
Another example, I feel relaxed at the beach.
Repeat, I feel happy.
I feel relaxed.
Great.
Part 8, mini practice conversation. Let's practice again.
Where is your favorite place?
My favorite place is near my house.
How do you feel there?
I feel happy and calm.
Nice answer.
Now you try.
Where is your favorite place?
How do you feel there?
Part 9. Talking about time in your favorite place. Let's talk about time.
Yes, time is very important.
We can say, I go there in the morning.
Or I go there in the evening.
Example, I go to the park in the morning.
Example, I sit in my room in the evening.
Listen and repeat. I go there in the morning.
Again, I go there in the evening.
Good job.
Now your turn.
When do you go to your favorite place?
Say, I go there in the...
Morning, afternoon, evening.
Very good. Try again.
Part 10. Talking about people with you. Now let's talk about people.
Yes, who do you go with?
Example, I go with my friends.
Example, I go with my family.
Repeat, I go with my friends.
I go with my family.
You can also say, I go alone.
Yes. Example, I go alone to my room.
Now answer, who do you go with?
Say it slowly.
Good job.
Part 11, talking about activities.
Now let's talk about activities.
What do you do there? Example, I read a book.
Example, I listen to music.
Example, I walk.
Repeat, I read a book.
I listen to music.
I walk.
Now your turn.
What do you do in your favorite place?
Say, I.
Good. Try again. Part 12, full simple answer. Now let's make a full answer.
Listen carefully.
My favorite place is the park. I go there in the morning. I go with my friend. I walk and listen to music.
Listen again.
My favorite place is the park. I go there in the morning. I go with my friend. I walk and listen to music.
Now you try.
Speak slowly.
You can do it.
Part 13. Talking about distance. Now let's talk about distance.
Is your favorite place near or far?
Example. It is near my house.
Example, it is far from my house.
Repeat. It is near my house.
It is far from my house.
Now answer.
Is your favorite place near or far?
Good.
Part 14, asking questions. Now we learn how to ask questions.
Question 1. What is your favorite place?
Question 2, why do you like it?
Question 3. What do you do there? Repeat with us. What is your favorite place?
Why do you like it?
What do you do there? Part 15. Practice conversation. Let's practice.
I will ask.
And I will answer.
What is your favorite place?
My favorite place is my room.
Why do you like it?
I like it because it is quiet.
What do you do there?
I read and rest.
Now listen again.
Part 16. Your speaking practice.
Now it's your turn. Answer the questions.
What is your favorite place?
Why do you like it?
What do you do there?
Speak loudly.
Don't be shy.
You are learning.
Part 17. Adding more details. Now let's add more details.
Use simple words.
Example. It is clean.
Example, it is beautiful.
Example. It is quiet.
Make a sentence.
It is clean and quiet.
Repeat, it is clean and quiet.
Part 18. Talking about frequency.
Now let's talk about how often. Example, I go there every day.
Example. I go there on Sunday.
Repeat, I go there every day.
I go there on Sunday.
Now your turn.
How often do you go?
Part 19, long answer practice. Let's make a longer answer.
Listen.
My favorite place is a park. It is near my house. I go there every day. I go with my friend. I feel happy there.
Listen again.
Now you try.
Take your time.
Part 21, feel confident. You are doing great.
Yes, your English is improving.
Speak every day.
Practice again and again.
Part 21. Talking about weather in your favorite place. Now, let's talk about weather.
Weather means sun, rain, wind, or cold.
Example. It is sunny in my favorite place.
Example, it is cool and nice.
Repeat. It is sunny.
It is cool.
Now make a sentence.
It is sunny and warm.
Good job. Part 22. Talking about sounds.
Now let's talk about sounds.
What do you hear there?
Example, I hear birds.
Example. I hear music.
Repeat, I hear birds.
I hear music.
Now your turn.
What do you hear? Part 23. Talking about things you see. Now, let's talk about what you see.
Example, I see trees.
Example. I see people.
Repeat, I see trees.
I see people.
Now you try.
What do you see? Part 24. Talking about favorite spot inside a place.
Now let's go deeper.
Yes, a favorite spot.
Example, my favorite spot is a bench in the park.
Example. My favorite spot is my bed.
Repeat, my favorite spot is.
Good. Part 25. Asking more questions. Let's learn more questions.
Question, where is it?
Question. When do you go?
Question, who do you go with?
Repeat all questions.
Great.
Part 26. Small conversation practice.
Let's talk.
Okay.
Where is your favorite place?
It is near my house.
When do you go?
I go in the evening.
Who do you go with?
I go with my friend.
Listen again.
Part 27. Talking about food in your favorite place. Now, let's talk about food.
Do you eat there?
Example. I eat snacks.
Example, I drink tea.
Repeat. I eat snacks.
I drink tea.
Now your turn.
What do you eat there?
Part 28. Talking about feelings again.
Let's repeat feelings.
Happy, calm, relaxed.
Example, I feel calm.
Example. I feel happy.
Repeat both.
Part 29. Full conversation practice. Let's do a full conversation.
Listen carefully. What is your favorite place?
My favorite place is a park.
Where is it?
It is near my house.
What do you do there?
I walk and listen to music.
How do you feel?
I feel happy.
Listen again.
Part 30. Your turn to speak. Now you speak.
Answer all questions.
Speak slowly.
You are doing well.
Part 31. Talking about size. Now let's talk about size.
Big or small?
Example. It is big.
Example, it is small.
Repeat both. Part 32. Talking about colors.
Now colors.
Example. It is green.
Example, it is blue.
Repeat. Part 33. Adding more details.
Let's add more.
Example. It is big and green.
Example, it is small and clean.
Repeat both. Part 34. Talking about past.
Now simple past.
Example. I went there yesterday.
Example, I visited it last week.
Repeat. Part 35. Talking about future.
Now future.
Example, I will go tomorrow.
Example, I will visit again.
Repeat. Part 36. Practice past and future.
Let's practice.
Say one past sentence.
Say one future sentence.
Good job. Part 37. Long answer practice.
Listen.
My favorite place is a park. It is big and green. I went there yesterday. I will go again tomorrow.
Listen again.
Part 38. Confidence building. You are improving.
Yes, step by step.
Practice every day.
You can speak English.
Part 39. Quick revision. Let's revise.
It is sunny.
It is sunny.
I see trees.
I see people.
I feel happy.
Part 40. Review with simple sentences. Let's review with very easy sentences.
Repeat after me. My favorite place is a park.
I go there in the evening.
I go with my friend.
I feel happy there.
Good job. Say them again.
Part 41. Talking about transport. How do you go there?
Example, I go by bus.
Example, I walk.
Example, I go by bike.
Repeat. I go by bus.
I walk.
I go by bike.
Now you try. How do you go to your favorite place?
Part 42. Talking about time spent.
How long do you stay?
Example, I stay 1 hour.
Example, I stay 2 hours.
Repeat. I stay 1 hour.
I stay 2 hours.
Now you say, I stay.
What do you take with you? Example, I take my phone.
Example, I take water. Repeat. I take my phone.
I take water.
Now your turn. What do you take? Who do you see there?
Example, I see children.
Example, I see families.
Repeat, I see children.
I see families.
Now say your sentence. Sometimes we don't like something.
Example, I don't like noise.
Example, I don't like crowds.
Repeat. I don't like noise.
I don't like crowds.
Now you try. What don't you like? Now talk about what you love most.
Example, I love the fresh air.
Example, I love the quiet.
Repeat, I love the fresh air.
I love the quiet.
Now say, I love. Listen carefully.
My favorite place is a small park. I go there by bike. I stay 1 hour. I take water. I love the fresh air.
Listen again.
Now you make your own.
Use these ideas. Place, transport, time, things you take, feeling.
Try to make 3-4 sentences.
Let's ask questions.
Question. How do you go there?
Question, how long do you stay?
Question. What do you take?
Now answer the questions.
Now talk about seasons.
Example, I go there in summer.
Example, I go there in winter.
Repeat, in summer.
In winter.
Now you try. Let's combine.
Example, it is sunny and I feel happy.
Example, it is cool and I feel calm.
Repeat, both. What do you do first?
Example, first I walk.
Example, first I sit and relax.
Repeat, first I walk.
First I sit and relax.
What do you do next?
Example, next I listen to music.
Example, next I drink water.
Repeat, next I listen to music. Let's make a small order.
First I walk. Next I sit. Then I go home.
Repeat, listen carefully. My favorite place is the park. I go by bike. First I walk. Next I sit. Then I go home. I feel happy.
Listen again. Now you try. Make a long answer. Use place, transport, actions, feeling. Is it safe?
Example, it is safe.
Example, it is not safe at night.
Repeat, does it cost money?
Example, it is free.
Example, it costs money.
Repeat both. What do you want to change?
Example, I want more trees.
Example, I want less noise.
Repeat, amazing work today.
You learned a lot.
Keep practicing every day.
Small steps make big progress.
Tell us in the comments.
How do you go to your favorite place?
And how long do you stay there?
See you next time.
Bye.